Hey beauties, my name is Crystal and welcome to my channel. For today I wanted to create this lilac spring inspired cut crease look, so if you're ready, let's get started. So I first started with Milani eyeshadow primer all over the lid, and I'm just applying that with my finger. Then I'm gonna go in with Desert Sand from the Desert Dusk Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just gonna set the primer with this eyeshadow brush. For my transition shade, I'm taking the color Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette with this fluffy brush, and before I forget to mention, I did put tape because I wanted that sharp look. With a more tapered blending brush, I'm picking up the color Warm Taupe, and I am just going to put that a little bit below and just start blending that in. Now using the brush we used before, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. I didn't add any additional product to that. Now taking the color Cypress Umber from Modern Renaissance with this smaller eyeshadow brush. Sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. I'm just gonna kind of map out where that crease would be. Obviously my eyes are super hooded, so I have to go a little above that, but it just depends on your eyelids. And I'm just gonna keep adding product until I am satisfied with it. Do you guys like my ears? I am obsessed with these headbands. I just use them to do my makeup. I don't go out with them, to be honest, but I just love seeing them. So with this clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend that all together and make sure it looks nice. Now it's time to cut the crease. So if you didn't know where I learned how to cut my crease from, watch my previous video and I will tell you who I learned it from. But yeah, here it is. So let's just speed on through that. Don't be shy. Now taking the Burn Book palette from Storybook Cosmetics, I'm gonna take this color the Plastics. It's just a plain white, and I'm gonna pack it on over that concealer just to set it in place. Now I'm taking the color Twilight from the Desert Dusk Huda Beauty palette, and it's this very pretty lilac iridescent shade. The only thing that I don't like about this shade, well, it bothers me a little bit really, not as much, is that it's not as pigmented until you use your finger. So I first went in with the brush and then I go in with my finger. So using the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, I went off camera and I did my liner, and here it is. So using the color Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance, I'm gonna pick up a small packer brush and I'm just gonna highlight underneath my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. Now taking Cypress Umber again, I'm just gonna go on the waterline a little bit. I don't want to darken it too much. I want this to be more of a spring look than a winter look. Taking my Rimmel London Nude eye pencil, I'm just lining my waterline, and since I have really straight down eyelashes, I'm going to curl them, and then I'm gonna be putting some buxom mascara on the top lashes and my telescopic mascara for the bottom. And I'm using these beautiful House of Lashes called Starlet. So here is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me in all my accounts. I love you beauties.